Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your DU eSIM in mobile. So first of all, you need to make sure that your phone is eSIM compatible and ensure that your phone is factory unlocked as well. Then you will have to simply launch your DU mobile app and tap on the support option in the bottom. Over here you will see chat with us option, so you need to simply tap over here and you will have to ask them for the eSIM QR code which you will be able to scan. So you will have to contact them and you will have to ask them for that QR code. Once you have that QR code, you will have to go into your settings. So based on your device, you will have to simply go into your settings. So currently I'm using Android, so I'm in my Android device. So in your Android device, you will have to simply search for connections, and in some devices it will be mobile networks. So in your mobile networks, you will see the SIM card manager section where you will be able to click on add mobile plan, and then you will have to scan that QR code which you received from the customer service from DU. Then you need to follow the on-screen instruction to scan the QR code and in order to activate your eSIM. Now if you are using your iPhone, you need to go into your setting, then go to cellular and then select add cellular plan, and then you can scan the QR code and follow further instructions in order to activate it. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.